Hey guys, you're watching Tech Radar. Basil here, and the Honor 10 is official, not just in China now, but in the rest of the world as well. Honor's latest flagship has a 5.84 display. Bearing a notch like the Huawei P20, this is a different device in quite a few respects. For starters, it's got a headphone jack, and it's available in a really neat phantom blue color. The Honor 10 comes fitted with a screen protector on board, and there's a case in the box, so you should be protected from both sides. Like I said, there's a headphone jack, USB-C, and a loudspeaker. It is a single loud speaker. There's also an infrared blaster at the top of the phone. Inside it is a Kirin 970 processor, and it has 128 gigabytes of storage, so there should be a decent amount of power paired with a decent amount of storage options, running with Emotion UI as well. You've got AI at the heart. Well, that's what Honor and Huawei have been saying for ages. What's really cool this time around is when it comes to the camera, the Honor 10 does something a little bit different. It integrates all the scene recognition modes that we've seen in other Huawei devices, but this time you can switch AI on and off after you've taken your shot, so you can see exactly what kind of benefit you're getting from the artificial intelligence on board. There's also a 3400 milliamp battery on board, and it supports Supercharge, Huawei's proprietary fast charging technology. In addition to that, at £399, this phone is undercutting the majority of other flagship competition. And while it isn't necessarily the newest, fastest processor or the highest resolution screen, it is one of the best looking phones around, and it definitely gives you value for money on first impression. You're going to have to check back for the full review to find out our final verdict, but hopefully you've enjoyed this video. For everything else, Honor 10, OnePlus 6 and every other phone related, techradar.com is your destination.